All right, let's talk about how live commerce is a game changer for sellers here in India.
So are you feeling the squeeze, with all the price wars and crazy high fees online?
Yeah, traditional e-commerce platforms, they can create some really intense pressure on your margins.
You've got high fees, ads that cost a fortune, and you're always waiting to get paid. It's tough. And on top of all that, the Indian shopper has completely changed. They want more than a static product page.
It's a huge shift, right? We've gone from passive browsing to wanting real, authentic interaction before we buy.
So what's the answer to all this? Well, say hello to live commerce.
It's pretty simple, actually. You showcase products live, answer questions, and sell directly. It's that interactive.
And here's the best part. It tackles those exact pain points we talked about: trust, engagement, all of it. And you know what? Platforms like IKIBOR Live are making this super accessible for businesses of any size.
But the real magic here is getting those sales in real time. It's all about that immediate action.
Just look at the difference. Trust and connection are fast and direct, not slow and impersonal like before.
This means you see results right away, manage inventory better, and get your cash flow moving faster.
And honestly, India is the perfect place for this. Our digital growth is just setting the stage.
It's all about telling your story. That's how you build trust that a static product page just can't. Look, in today's crowded market, this isn't just an option anymore. It's pretty much essential.
So the real question is your business ready to go live and escape that margin pressure for good?